Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, can you guys hear me? Yo, yo, yo. Right, what's up? What up, everyone? I gotta fix my YouTube. Like, I gotta get a thumbnail for like the live streams and stuff. Cause every time I try to start the like broadcast, it's making me do like create a new one. For some reason, it doesn't save it. I gotta figure out why in OBS. What up? What up? So we'll just be waiting a second. What's up, everyone? Wolf, JX, AJ, Sam Kilo, Rest. Good morning, good morning. And Q short. I haven't even. Yeah, so I saw it earlier. Wait, if you go on a 4 hour. I don't like this low being left, so if anything, I'd most likely look towards shorts. Also, we have a very small wick on the daily, right? Might look for another continuation day lower. So I would be more inclined to look for shorts, yes. Your take on gold? Honestly, I'm already in gold longs. I scaled out most of my position at this high, holding rest for previous day high. I'm in from like down here. So past, well, obviously I'm biased. I think we're gonna go to previous day high. If we're not, I don't know where. Very quiet. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know why. Wait 1 sec. Let me see if I can turn it up. Mm, Yo, wait, is it better now? Or did I even change anything? Let me have a look at these settings. Give me a sec. What about now? Is it too loud or is it good? Or is it the same? Um, your voice is good to me. Okay, sounds good. If not, let me know and I'll try to fix it, but I'm not entirely sure why. What's up? You get rid of that Yeti. I'm not even using the Yeti right now, bro. What's up, Realtor? Yeah, I'm using like my headset mic right now. I think at least. Wait. Yeah, I am. You give out the traits that you take in your Discord. I don't have a Discord other than this free one where I don't give out anything. So no, not I don't have anything right now. It's great, perfect. What do you mean that's why? Trust me, you don't want me to switch back to my Yeti. I don't know why it's getting so much hate. Like I don't want to go back to it. People are just hating. How can I contact you on Discord? Um, I mean, you can shoot me a DM. It's fine. I'll most likely get to it. I just want, like, I have so many like friend requests, but I will most likely answer if you just DM me. You can also just shoot me like a message on like Instagram. I'll reply there as well. Good morning, Lexon. Yeah, honestly, I might need a new mic. I would just want gold to go up higher. Let me see where I have my. I have already trailed this, so I trailed my stop to like down here. Because ideally we should just, go higher from this gap, right? I don't want to see us go below that. And if we do, I'll just get trailed out. I took like a partial here, and then rest is running for previous day high. Let's get playing Minecraft, Nico. Yeah, I got you. I'm goated at Minecraft. Skywars, bro, I'm the goat. Undefeated. Are we seeing retracement to expansion? So honestly, I don't hold much of it in view on NQ right now. I would prefer downside just due to how the daily closed yesterday. We have a small wick. We have these lows. I don't think we have some. Where even is that? Is that 7th of August? Yeah, that's like all the way down here. So I would want to see this low get taken as a minimum on NQ, but let's see what open has for us. We just opened actually. Might come to manipulate the high. Yeah, we'll see. Um, yeah, I caught gold longs. If they can just sweep out previous day high, I would be very happy. But let's see. MX will destroy you. Nah, dude. I have played Minecraft with them before. Trust me, I'm better. Oh, we played like me and what, three other traders, I think, including I think MX and some others. We played, if you guys know Repo, that was funny as hell. Um, so can you go over the process? Yeah, okay, I can quickly like walk through this goal. I'll also post it, but essentially, like wait, let me show you on the daily first. So, right, I did think initially that we were going to head lower, but by the time I went to charts, we had already swept this previous day high, which is very key level. Um, yeah, so if you go to like the 15 minute, you can see how we're just trending upwards. So I did have this as a point of interest that we might potentially reject from, right? Just this gap, also on the 15 minutes sweeping out all of these swings, essentially. So once I saw that we took this, I was actually looking to see if we could close below here, which we did not. So we kind of, wait, let me write it out. So we failed to manipulate this high, right? So once we close through, even though this is not the bulkiest candle, it's still a failure to manipulate in my eyes. See the same on the 5 minute, um, going up from this gap, right? So I entered here, stop down here, and I added a little bit more once we came back into the gap. First target was here, and I'm holding that full, or not full position, well, the rest for previous day high. And we got an alert on M and Q for some reason. Oh, wow. Yeah, there you have it, guys. That's crazy. I guess my bias was correct. Honestly, with this reaction, I would look for a continuation lower. I'm not sure I'll take it. I might have to check depending if gold actually hits because of the consistency rule on the like funded I trade because I'm up pretty heavy today. So not that I'm complaining, but this definitely, confirms the idea that I have. So would be looking for shorts lower, right? Damn, that's crazy. Um, I'll do so, Realtor. Thank you. Trade post London kill zone in Forex. I don't trade Forex. Mm, How come you had a long bias for gold? Well, I guess I really just answered that. Yeah, it was gold I just explained. Do you play the new version or the old PvP version? That's the gold. That's the shit. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. This is not too convincing close. It's fine with this SMT here at the highest, but well, if it sucks all the way back up, that's would kind of suck. Um, Invite me next time. Yeah, I haven't played for like a good while. It's a while back, but this is yeah. I used to play on Hypixel. Yeah, I like the completely old survival games, Hunger Games, like back in like 2014 shit. Damn, that's a long time ago. So this setting up nicely. Come on, gold. Just go up and sweep that high. I don't care what you do after. Do you offer mentoring? I don't really do that right now, other than I do one-on-ones, but I don't have anything other than that. Um, Potentially in the near future, since I've gotten a lot of requests recently, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Yeah, but not at the moment. Indices look ass today, especially after the expansion yesterday. The daily might be forming a C2 reversal. I mean, if we can get some more downside confirmation, like if we can get some sort of opposing close candle here and potentially close below, it looks fine for shorts in my opinion. Yeah, and I don't care about YM because, yeah. Anyways. Come on, gold. Do, 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 do. Um, right. If we can get a 3 or 5 minute up close candle here and close below it, then we should be good to expand lower, especially looking at this daily wick. This is very ideal to get like a large expansion day. Um, so potentially if we can close below here, this looks good. Um, Yahoo. Hey Nick. uh, Sick. What's the target for NQ shorts? I mean, I would expect this to get run as a minimum, but if I were looking to short here, I would want to see how we react around this low, but in my mind, I'm pretty sure we would just, displace lower. So I would not be taking like target here and just scaling along the way, since we don't really have anything clear down until here. Could potentially get here, if we can get some more follow through, but just look for like 2R, 3R, etc. Come on, gold. I'm gonna blow this to the upside. But this is really like the kind of setups I love. You see, very small wick. We run this early in the day. We get very clear, follow through to the upside. Obviously, this one would not have worked out if we, longed above here, even though it's a completely valid entry. We did come back to resweep this if you put your stop here, but that's the only entry that wouldn't have worked today. Don't just start scaling out a 2A like 2R like AM. I don't know. I'll usually have a fixed target where I'll hold like most of my position, if not all of my position. As you guys saw the other day where we traded gold live, I don't remember. Yeah, it was right here. So we took this right on stream. Let me mark this out. This was the target. We shorted what the close of, I think it was on the 3 minute. I'll just use this as an example. This was very unfortunate. We shorted here on the close. No, on this close actually. Put stop here, and this was the target, right? And a lot of people took partials or even closed the position fully here at 2R. I did not. I moved my stop break even and came back. Obviously, I got stopped out break even and then it ran all the way down. So this is like the risk. You have to be okay with this if you're not taking partials at 2R or fully closing the position, right? But over a longer period of time, I think it favors me. So this is valid on NQ if we can get this close. So no, I don't always. Bro, come on, gold. Is this a joke? If it's gonna go even lower, this would be pretty nice to see. Let's see if we can actually close here. Bro, don't run, don't run. NQ short, yeah, I do agree, but wow, 2 minute offered, but pretty aggressive on 2 minute. That's like 55 point stop. No, don't run, guys. No, no, no. And we're most likely going to displace through. I don't know if anyone took that 2 minute. But yeah, this is like ideal, where you have a bias or somewhat of an idea on indices, and 930 just confirms it almost right away. And we even have this manipulation with ES up here. That's ideal, right? Yeah, I can look to enter once this closes. Should expand further down if you ask me. I'll be looking for like, I haven't entered anything, guys. I will let you know. I'll look to see if I can get a fill here on like 54. You guys can mark it in if you want. I'll look to get a little bit of a better fill if possible. But it should be good either way. Bro. Come on, I have my order at 53.75. So I got tapped in there. Stop goes to the high. And target is just looking for like 2R. Can scale out along the way. It's pretty crazy. This reaction. Alright, so we got the full retest. Why am I not seeing any messages? Is nobody writing anything in chat or okay? Swipe London lows. I don't really. I mean, it didn't for me. So, which is even better actually, if you ask me. Could get that fill on that retest. That would have been pretty nice for better risk to reward. All right, now we're just chilling. Gold, come on. Looks good. Honestly, like if we do come down here, obviously if we don't get stopped out, I do think we have a lot more potential to the day. So can potentially hold runners if you guys feel like it. This looks prime for like a good expansion day. Alright. I don't know why I had an alert on M and Q there. Oh, gold too. Dude, this is beautiful. God. I got filled on gold. Wait one sec, let me cancel my stop orders. God damn. Um, it's beautiful. Let me have a look at NQ. Damn, NQ is running too. Let me change something real quick here. One sec. This looks really nice. Damn, amazing reaction right away, guys. Let me go back to the chat. Holy shit, this shit is flushing. Okay, so I'll take partial where at that 2R, but I won't be taking my full position off, right? I'll hold runners. Yeah, so I'm just looking for that. I have it at 57. It's essentially the same. Where is it? There. Holy. You closed NQ for 2R? Damn, that's amazing, man. Brother, this shit is going crazy. I want to see a lot of W's in the chat for those who are watching. Once it hits, why that level? It's just for 2R. You guys can hold past it. I think it's gonna run further. Yeah, I don't know why the stream is a bit delayed. I don't know if I can do anything about that. Not yet, guys. Get ready to spam it. We're still waiting for that first, at least for my 2R scale. Not yet, guys. You're jinxing it. What is going on? Alright, we're just staying patient here. But damn, that is a flush and a half. I'm not jinxing anything, but TP for another one. W, guys. Good shit. You got a lucky fill close to 3R. Congrats, man. It's huge. Good shit, guys. Still waiting for that initial scale. Dude, you're out, you're out. Close at full. Damn good shit, guys, for those who are out. Could have been a bit more greedy and went for a better fill, but never know how much it's gonna retrace, right? Still trusting this. We're just chilling and giving it time to break down. What is your gold trade? I will I will break it down. Full ported life savings. Thanks, Nick. Bro owes me a house now. The gold trade was prior to the stream, so but I just took full profits at previous day high, a pretty good one. You have one runner to fill the 4 hour gap. I think it's doable, depending on what price does, obviously. What you are. This one I'm just looking for 2 hour, but I'm already up pretty heavy on the day due to gold, so I'll take like some of my position off at 2 hour here, if it offers it, and trail to break even, then just let the rest run to see where today can go. Isn't it a problem that NQ took previous day low and went up? I don't mind too much. We didn't even, like, I'll show you in a second if this can just hit first. Get ready, guys. Are we ready? And there we go. I got filled for my partial. Let's go, guys. I got filled here. Let's go. Damn, that is a flush and a half. Where are the W's? Damn, bro, this shit is absurd. What the hell? Damn, okay, we got full TP. Holy shit, I'm up 500 ticks almost. What is going on? Flush is real, guys. The flush is real. Damn. Honestly, I'm just gonna hold my runner to see if we can get down to these lows. So it'll be kind of crazy. You guys don't say I don't call out this expansion day prior. Oh, look at this fill on gold as well. I'm not getting emotional. I'm just happy. Like, this is shit I've worked years for. Damn. Yeah, you guys can just trail out along the way or scale out along the way or hold some position. Thank you, Thomas. Are you short on gold? Ah, hell nah, bro. I logged this shit from down here, where we failed to manipulate into this, well, this gap. I logged down here to previous day high. Took partials here and booked the full position at previous day high. And yeah. NQ ready to bounce? Maybe. I wouldn't be trying to longing this though. Can you break it down? Which one? The NQ or the What made you look too short though coming into the day and the framework was supporting along? Holy flush and a half, bro. We're up 3R right now. Honestly, I'll be holding the rest of my position to this 6R. Like, I don't care too much about R. This just seems like a logical target. Bro, bro, bro. Yo, what? Wait, let me put my buy order at that low. Shit, we're up 600 ticks, guys. Yo! Yeah, I'm still in. I'm holding runners. I still have a good position on. What? On my chart, it gapped down as well. This is crazy, guys. What made you bullish and gold and bearish on NQ? I'll break it down in a second. This is insane. I've never, like, brother, we moved 250 points. This is a good place to scale, guys, if you haven't already. Include the YouTube reaction. W. Yeah, I did. I just posted on Insta. Had to do it. 10 a.m. still hasn't come. Oh yeah, we have a. Honestly, I might look to start something where I stream a bit more often. Jesus, this is going to go down a lot more. Well, I said it even prior to scaling, which is why I'm still in a good amount of my position, right? I did say that this, like, if we look on the daily, we had a very clean, like, move to the downside yesterday, and usually these don't come alone. What do we set up for, like, going into New York? We have a 26-point opposing wick. So we eating good today. Yeah, hell yeah. It's crazy. Wait, let me have a look at it. Um, we're eating good today. Guys, I need tips. I need to turn on like super chat. You guys need to tip me if you want streaming. Yeah, this is pretty heavy. But we can get as heavy bounces, right? So don't be too greedy, obviously. Yeah, and also we have this manipulation at the highs with ESSMT into this hourly gap, right? All bro. Yo, what the fuck? This is crazy. This is why I have a system, guys. What the fuck? Everyone remember to like this live stream. If you enjoy it. Yo, I gotta ask my one thing. Where did you learn your model? Feel like I'm missing something, especially with bias. Um, so like the foundation is more or less from AM, the way he trades, but I've adjusted a lot to my own style, just with experience. Like I don't want to say you can just learn this like here or here, but it comes with like time and experience. I've been trading for what 4.5, soon to be 5 years. Obviously, I haven't been trading this model for like the whole time, but took an entry on the M1, got a bad fill, so I closed a break even. Brother, you gotta stick to your plan, man. Like, what? Sorry to hear that though. Um, alright, let's see. Nice trade, but Serge, can you walk us through the thought process as per the expansion model? It was more like one-sided long. So I disagree. Here we did have. Wait, I don't know if we had. I think we had SMT. I'm not sure. No, we did not. Not with ES at least. So we had a very aggressive expansion day. Wait, let me start on the weekly actually, even though I don't tend to use the weekly, right? But we have an unfilled gap here. We have a bunch of lows down here that's pretty much lined up. And we have this sweep, right? So generally, after seeing this is Monday and Tuesday confirmed that, I'm thinking of a weekly expansion candle to the downside. Yeah, so with this confirming it, I'm looking for a continuation. Pretty simple. Going into the daily open here, like yeah, we come down below previous day low, but we're kind of failing to manipulate this low, right? We're going a lot deeper, like 130 points. Even when we come back up here, we barely get like back inside of that range. And in here, we don't really have anything too long, if you ask me. Like I'm still looking for this to potentially deliver, and also just having created these failure swings like most of the day, and then this will just lead into waiting to open. Like if you took a long in here, that's fine. If you gotta stop out, no big deal. Like I saw some other people look for, must have been, I think it was this continuation, potentially this, and then long in here looking for like a move back into the range, right? But with that said, we come into open and pretty much, wait, let me show you. Right at open, we have this SMT where ES take out that high, NQ doesn't, but like we still have that manipulation. We get that confirmation right away. Usually you can take this first continuation. I'm not a too big fan of taking something right at 9:30, even though it's very nice to see that it confirms my idea like almost right away. So once we close down here, I'm looking for that entry. Guys, imagine if I didn't get filled here because I wanted like a 7 or 8 point better fill and it just ran all the way. That's the risk of having limit orders. Obviously, we all got filled in this case, but yeah, so that's kind of the idea for NQ. I was bullish coming into today when I saw the 4 hour failure gap failing. We had SMT on lows of London with ES before this run. Yeah, but even like I don't like this too much. Obviously, if 9:30 confirmed higher prices would have been a bit of a different story. But let me see if YM is still going wild. Why? Okay, it followed. This is what 9:30 spike of 100 points. Yeah, seems reasonable. Um, yep. Can we trade YM the lagging asset? In this case, I would not be looking to trade YM. Like, why would you want to trade a, an asset that is very much stronger here? You can see, like, we would just need a manipulation here. We went way above it. Obviously, I do think we might reach for these lows, but this is not something I'd personally be trading when you have NQ and ES that is this clear from the open. Got out of this trade when it hit that low. Um, Beautiful trades all the way from South Africa. Hey, yeah, I don't trade YM really, so I wouldn't be the expert to tell you. Got out of this trade when it hit that low. Which one, this? As I said prior to this even happening, I did think it would expand very much through that. Like, if I think we would reverse from that low, I would not be taking an entry here, obviously. Um, Once we potentially make a new low here, I'll look to maybe take off the rest of my position. Like, I'm fine with this. I don't want to be greedy. Like, even if it goes back to break even, I'm still up very heavy on the day. So if you add ES to the mix analysis, especially that it was much stronger and took previous day low and went above it. So generally, I'm more focused on, wait, let me mark this out, on NQ, but uses ES more for SMTs and stuff. But like even, yeah, I do see your case on like, yeah, you can frame it on the hourly, etc. But if you take a look at the daily and the weekly, the way I just explained it, especially on NQ, I still don't, um, yeah. I'll just look to take the rest of my position off here. We might still go to that low, but I am more than enough. Like, bro, this is crazy. Yeah, so a day like this, even though I would definitely prefer the downside, I wasn't entirely locked like I am some days. Um, yeah, holy moly. This is like one of the biggest days I've had in a long time. Not gonna lie. Anyways, I'm not here trying to flex anything, but I will most likely be ending the stream in like a few minutes. Um, I'll just see if we can go down to run that low. We should be able to. Usually when we get these pullbacks, we get like one or more, two more like expansion moves down, which is aggressive. Then we might start retracing a bit or chopping. Obviously, there's the case that we just like expand all day, but Jesus. Yeah, I'm gonna take the rest off here. Yo, W's, guys. Gonna get filled here, hopefully. Yeah, I got full out of my position here. Fully out for 4.3 R. And what did I take on gold? I think it was like, my fill was here. So, wait, let me put it on. That's like in between here, that's 3.6. Oh shit, I gotta cancel my stop order. Damn, guys. Yep. I do think we might continue lower, if you ask me. Like, we should run this low. I'm just challenging my consistency rules on at least some of the prop firms right now. You don't move your stop loss until it reaches the target. That depends on the trade. Let's say I'm up like 3 or 4 R and my target is 4.5. Obviously, I won't let it go back to like minus 1 R. Oh, on the Instagram slides. Sam Kello, I might. Thank you, TMS. Yo, that's huge, Sonny. Congratulations, man. That's a that's amazing, man. Do, do, do. Bro, wait, I gotta get a picture of that. I can't do that without. That's amazing. If you guys post it anywhere, like Twitter or Insta or just in some of the Discords, feel free to tag me so I can repost them. That'd be amazing. Just tag me. You had a limit on your same trade to get me 2R to the daily low. Went without you. Oh, damn. This is crazy. Well, guys, I will be calling it for the day here. So, I hope some of you all caught this bangers. How do I get mentorship? I don't have one right now. Um, I don't know, potentially in the future. I've had a lot of requests, so, and just for teaching in general, other than like my one-on-ones. So I'll let you guys like know on here, and also I will announce it in the Discord if I do start anything in the free Discord. How to schedule one-on-one. I think you can do it in my bio, like below here. Yeah, you can. All my links, and if you guys get like funded accounts, at least from Apex, make sure to use Nick Trends. Yeah, I am Thomas. I'm just, essentially, obviously answering questions, but just doing that one stream a week, which is just like recaps of my trades. And yeah, for sure, I will catch you guys soon. So stay safe.